Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to show you how to work in this beautiful shell. But before I start, please give me thumbs ups and don't forget to click subscribe button to check out my new videos. Firstly, you have to grab your hook and your yarn to work with and make a slip knot and chain 4. This chain is counting as your first double crochet. Now, you will work into the very first of chain and make another double crochet into the same loop, and after you finish your second double crochet, chain 1. You need to chain another 6 double crochet, and every time you finish your double crochet, make sure you chain 1. Repeat this process until you finish your first step, and the total of your double crochet should be 8. After you finish your last double crochet, make a slip stitch into the first double crochet, and then you are finished your first step now. Now you've got total of 8 loop and also 8 double crochet. Now, before you begin to make a shell, make sure you make a slip stitch into the first loop. After you finish your slip stitch, then chain 3. This is count as your first double crochet, and you will work another 6 double crochet to finish your first shell. Now you had finished your first shell, and then for the next loop, you need to make a single crochet into that loop. After you finish your single crochet, you need to work another shell into the next loop. What you need to do is make a double crochet into that loop. Make sure you finish your 7 double crochet into the same loop. After you finish your second shells, you need to make a single crochet into the next loop. And then now, you will work another shells into the next loop. Make sure you repeat this process until you get the total of 4 shells into the second round. After you finish your last shells from this round, make a single crochet into the next loop and then make another slip stitch at the top of your first double crochet to finish it. For the next round, you need to chain 4 and make double crochet into the single crochet that you worked before. Next, you need to chain 3 as a turning chain, then make another double crochet into the same loop. Now chain 1 and make another double crochet into the same loop. After you finish this part, chain 5, then you will work into your next loop, which is your previous single crochet. You will work double crochet into that loop. Now make a double crochet into your previous single crochet. Then you need to chain 1 and then make another double crochet into that loop. After that, chain another 3 for turning chain. Make a double crochet into that loop again. Chain 1 and then another double crochet into that loop. Now you are finished your second part. Now repeat this step until you finish this round. After you finish chain 5, then make a slip stitch into your top of your first double crochet. Now you have finished this round. To work another round, you need to make a slip stitch into the next loop and then chain 3. This chain 3 is count as your first double crochet. Now you will work another double crochet into the same loop. To complete this shell, you need to make a total of 7 double crochet into the same loop. After you finish your first shell into this round, you need to make a single crochet into your turning chain. Then you will work another shells into the next loop. After you finish your second shells from this round, you need to make a single crochet. Insert your hook into the middle of your shell, your previous shell, and then make a single crochet from it. Then you will work another double crochet into the next loop. This is count as your first double crochet. You will work a shell into this loop again. After you finish your shells, make another single crochet into the turning chain. Then you will now work into the next loop for another shell. For this part, you need to work into the middle of your shell to make a single crochet, and then after you finish, make a shell into the next loop again. Now, repeat the same process until you get the perfect size of your blanket and also your other project. Thank you for watching these videos. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out more videos in my YouTube channel. And see you again in my next video.